Alright, hello my wonderful peeps. Today we're going to be reflecting over across the line, which is y equals x. So let's draw this first in blue. I'm going to make a couple of the dashed lines to show that this line is not actually there. Well, it is there, but it's not actually there. We're using it as a reference point. And we're just going to show how the reflection would work. Similar to the last one, we have to kind of imagine that we were going to fold this paper in half across this diagonal line here, and the point would actually be here. If you notice, it would actually be right about here. This is actually going to be your R prime, but we're actually going to show you how we actually do that. So the good thing about this, if we know that if we have an x, y, when we're trying to find the prime, so let's say this is our R, we're trying to find R prime, we know it's just going to be yx. And we can see that if our point here is actually at -1 and 2, because we go 1 this way and 2 up, we know if we switch those, it's going to be 2, -1, which is actually where R prime is too, because we're going to go 1, 2, and -1 down. So that's the main gist of how we're going to do that. Changing whatever our prime is from xy to yx. Another line that we're doing is across a line that's actually vertical. So if we had, let's actually do this one in red. If we had our line at x equals 2, which is here, once again put a little bit of dash marks so we know it is a line that we're reflecting over. It's not actually on the graph. This is very similar to what we did before, but this is, since it is vertical, and I guess also if it's horizontal, you're just going to be reflecting across over. We're actually just going to be doing the line that goes across, But since we can't use, like we couldn't do this, like we couldn't say h xy is h prime would be yx. This doesn't work here in this one. So what we're actually going to do is just kind of count how far it is from the line and go that the other way around. So we have 1, 2, 3. And because this is 3, remember if we were to fold this on the line here, we would go another 1, 2, 3, and our h prime would be here.